When soil goes lifeless, hard, pale, cracked, it doesn't just stop growing food, it stops breathing. Microbes vanish, earthworms retreat, water runs right off the surface like it's bouncing off concrete. It can feel like the garden has shut its doors for good. Many gardeners resort to fertilizer bags or digging deeper, but the secret to true revival often lies not in what you add, but in what you grow. Some plants have the power to turn even the most stubborn dirt into fertile living earth. And what's wild? Number 7 is probably already growing wild in a forgotten corner of your yard. Stay with this, because the transformation is not only real, it's fast, free, and regenerative. Let's begin with an idea that seems too simple to work: planting to fix soil. Most of us think of plants as the result of healthy soil, not the cure for dead dirt. But deep-rooted species, nutrient accumulators, natural composters, and living mulch varieties can all heal the land from the inside out. Another must-have is crimson clover. More than just a cover crop, clover is a nitrogen fixer that thrives even in neglected soil. The magic is in the roots, tiny nodules that host bacteria capable of pulling nitrogen from the air and turning it into plant food. When clover dies back or is chopped into the surface, all that nitrogen becomes instantly available for whatever comes next. For gardeners battling nitrogen deficiency, clover is a quiet solution that does the heavy lifting invisibly. Now let's talk about buckwheat. Most people plant it for quick summer cover, but few realize how good it is at breaking up phosphorus from the soil. In dead or acidic soil where other crops fail, buckwheat grows fast, shades the ground, and prevents erosion. Once turned under or mulched in place, it jumpstarts microbial life by decaying rapidly and feeding fungi. It's also one of the fastest growing green manures, making it perfect for short turnaround fixes. Sunflowers might seem like an odd choice, but they're soil fixers too. Their thick, fibrous roots improve tilth, how soft and crumbly the soil becomes. They attract beneficial insects above ground and support mycorrhizal networks below. Plus, when they die and drop leaves, the carbon content of your soil spikes, a signal to soil microbes that it's time to wake up and work. And now for number 7, the shocker: dandelion. Yes, the so-called weed. Its deep taproot pulls calcium and trace minerals from deep layers, making them accessible to surface feeders. Its dying leaves break down into compost without you needing to do a thing. In many cases, when dandelion is present, it's because your soil needs it. Another quiet savior is yarrow. Though small and feathery, it's a soil stimulant. Yarrow accumulates phosphorus, copper, and potassium, and its dense root system prevents erosion while encouraging moisture retention. It's especially good at supporting biodiversity underground. Earthworms in particular love yarrow-heavy zones because the topsoil tends to be richer and looser from the constant organic inputs. Plantain, broadleaf or narrowleaf, is another common weed that performs miracles in poor soil. The roots stabilize degraded zones and pull minerals upward. Finally, there's mung bean. In tropical or hot zones, this plant fixes nitrogen rapidly, grows in poor soils, and provides mulch-worthy biomass. It feeds the land above and below without ever demanding chemical fertilizer. In compacted zones where little else grows, mung bean thrives, and it leaves the soil better than it found it. When these plants are layered into your seasonal plans, rotated, chopped and dropped, or even composted in place, they offer more than nutrition. They build life. They teach your soil how to breathe again. Whether you're dealing with raised beds gone sterile or backyard patches that have turned to dust, these plants are your quiet allies. Nature has always known how to fix herself. Our job is to listen. If you found this guide valuable, share it with someone battling dead soil. And don't forget to subscribe to Hydrohaven for more regenerative soil-first solutions that transform gardens from the roots up.